Why does your scanner show the P068A engine code? What does it mean? P068A is a diagnostic trouble code indicates a problem with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Engine Control Module, ECM, power relay. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. It indicates a fault detected in the Engine Control Module relay or Powertrain Control Module relay. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these 7 possible faults in your car. Defective PCM power relay, blown or defective fuse, shorted circuit, battery problems, problems with connector pins, wiring issues, issue within the PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in various vehicle models across multiple manufacturers, including Audi, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand.